Hey, how's it going? Hopefully this finds you doing well. My name's Cavin Jacobs. I'm with RingIQ.com, and a question that we get asked a lot is, what exactly is call tracking and how does it work? Let me share my screen with you here and we'll go over a quick overview of it and hopefully it explains it a little better. Okay, so inside of RingIQ, you can search for phone numbers that you want to use for each one of your advertising campaigns. In this example, you can see I've got 4 phone numbers and I've got 4 different campaigns. I've attached each phone number to each campaign type. You can see I've got Google ad, Facebook ad, magazine ad, and postcard mailer. Now, as we start receiving incoming sales calls from these ads, RingIQ looks at how you specified that you wanted to route your phone calls. So you have 3 different routing options. The first one is to ring multiple numbers. Inside of RingIQ, you can add 1 or as many employees as you want to, and his or her cell phone, landlines, however they receive calls. And with that option, what happens is it rings all of these phones at the same time until somebody picks up the phone. The second option is a round robin. So in this example, call number 1 will go to employee number 1. Call number 2 goes to employee number 2. 3 goes to employee number 3. And when you run out of employees, in this example, call number 4 will route back around to employee number 1 and cycle through your employees again. The third option is a custom IVR. You can set this up any way that you want to, and it basically prompts a caller to interact with their keypad on their phone. This example, I set it up. If the caller presses 1, it'll be routed to whatever sales numbers you want. 2 will be like to get a quote. 3 will be to set an appointment with you. Down below you can see some additional options. You can record any and all incoming calls and listen to them later if you want to. You can customize any of the recordings, whether it's voicemail, your custom IVR, call recorded notice. You have the option to check all incoming calls against our spam list. So if a caller is a known spammer or robocaller and you're using this feature, it will hang up on them instantly and not disturb you or your employees. You have the option to also set up custom after hours routing. If you have employees after hours that want to take phone calls, you can send after hour calls to them as long as their schedule is on duty, or you can specify a unique voicemail for your after-hour voicemail. You also have the option to add unlimited employees, and you can set up a custom call whisper, which what that is what you or your employees hear on your end when you pick the phone up. It'll be something like you have an incoming sales call from your Facebook ad or your postcard ad. It just lets you know where the call is coming from. If you want a copy of this PDF, I'm going to put a link in the description. You can also go to RingIQ.com, use our live chat, hit me up on instant message. However, if you have more questions. Thanks for watching this video.